Imagine a game where you can attach almost anything to your grappling hook and fly through an explosive war zone. That's what Just Cause is all about. In the Just Cause series, players are given a vast open world where they can use their grappling hook to swing from building to building to building or to pull vehicles into the sky. Just Cause 4 offers a main mode of transportation via Grapple gun, allowing players to traverse huge distances with ease and creating thrilling action sequences. The game provides players the liberty to jump into a colorful war zone filled with ragdoll physics and explosions, making every mission unique and exciting. Players can perform ridiculous antics. Such as pulling down bridges or flipping cars into the air, showcasing the game's emphasis on creative mayhem. Even if you're not playing the game yourself, watching others play Just Cause can be a form of entertainment as players often perform outrageous and hilarious stunts. Just Cause 4 stands out in the pop culture sphere, blending action with creativity to offer a unique gaming experience that has captivated audiences since its release. So there, you have it! Just Cause is more than just a game, it's an adventure in creativity and chaos. Have you tried pulling down some buildings or flipping cars into the sky?